Hello, children. Today, let me explain to you lesson number 11 from your supplementary reader. The name of the lesson is The Footsteps Die Out Forever. It is adapted from A Tale of Two Cities by Charles Dickens. Now, a brief introduction about the author. Charles Dickens remains one of the most famous and important writers in the English language. Now, let us look at the main characters. Now the main characters are Charles Darnay, Sidney Carton and Lucy Manet. Then Charles Darnay and Sidney Carton, they look strangely alike, एक जैसे दिखते हैं. And then they also love the same woman. ये दोनों एक ही, they love the same woman, Lucy Manet. But Charles, he marries Lucy Manet. Okay, so Charles marries Lucy Manet, but he's arrested and sentenced to death. So this Charles, he's arrested and he's sentenced to death. Now, why he's sentenced to death? Because he belonged to the cruel aristocratic family of Evermond. Okay, so that is why he's sentenced to death. So what Sidney Carton does, he wants to save Lucy's family. Okay, he wants to save their family. He doesn't want Charles to get killed. So he takes the place of Charles. एक जैसे दिखते हैं. So Sidney Carton, he takes the place of Charles Darnay and then walks to the guillotine and he pretends to be Charles Darnay. Okay, so Sidney Carton इसका जगह ले लेता है prison में and actually he is sacrificing his life to save Lucy and Charles' family. Now, let me explain to you the lesson. Along the Paris street, the death carts rumble. So that means along the Paris street, the death carts are the tumbrils. So this is a tumbril. This is used for carrying prisoners to the guillotine. This is guillotine. So along the Paris street, the death carts are moving along the street. Then there is a huge crowd of people in the street. But the regular inhabitants, वहाँ जो regular रहते हैं, it is a usual sight for them. So in many windows there are no people, and in some the viewers do not so much as pause their work. So in some the viewers are continuing with their work. They are not pausing. Okay, अपने काम में लगे हुए. They do not want to see anything. While the eyes survey the faces in the tumbrils, but the eye seems to follow key who is there in the tumbril. Now here and there the inhabitants has visitors. So यहाँ वहाँ there are visitors. So and they point their finger to the cart and seems to tell ki who sat here yesterday, who's and who there the day before. बोल रहे कि कौन कल कौन बैठा था उससे पहले कौन बैठा था. They seems to tell each other. Now the next is the in next paragraph we see the expressions of the various riders in the tumbril. Now some seem bewildered, some angry, some absolutely hopeless. Some seated with drooping heads, अपने सिर झुकाए बैठे हुए हैं, and they are in silent despair, बहुत दुखी है. Then several close their eyes and think or try to get their thoughts together. Some of them they have closed their eyes and they are trying to keep their thoughts together. Then there is only one a miserable creature of a crazy, थोड़ा सा अजीब सा दिखने वाला एक है. He is so shattered, इतना दुखी है that he sings and tries to dance too. But none of the prisoners appeals to the pity of the people by their look or by their gesture. Okay, so the they are not getting the pity of the people. Now there is a guard of horsemen riding along the tumbrils. So horsemen can be seen riding along the tumbrils, and they are often asked some questions. So this, let us see what is that question that is asked by the people. It would seem to be always the same question. So the people are all asking the same question. And then when they answer, a crowd of people moves towards the third cart. So that means the people are actually searching for the person who is there in the third cart. Uh, they want to see the person, this one Charles Darnay. They want to see Charles Darnay, but it is not actually Charles Darnay. It is Sydney Carton. So the people want to see Charles Carton, uh, Charles Darnay. Then the leading curiosity is to know which is he. Everyone is very curious to know which is Charles Darnay. So he stands at the back of the tumbril. So the person whom the people are searching, he stands at the back of the tumbril with his head bent down, sir jhukha hua hai, and he's talking to a girl who sits on the side of the cart. So there is a girl who is sitting on the side of the cart. So who is she? She's Lucy Manet and holds the hand. He has no, so this person is not at all bothered about what is going on around him, and he is busy talking to the girl. Now, here and there in the long street of Saint Honor, cries are raised. So, उसके against में लोग आवाज उठा रहे. So, he is not at all moved by all these things. Even if he is moved, there is only a quiet smile on his face, and he shakes his hair a little more loosely about it. Actually, he wants to hide his face. He cannot touch his face as his arms are bound. हाथ बंधे हुए हैं, तो चेहरे में he is not able to touch his face. Then on the steps of a church waiting, there is somebody waiting on the steps of the church, waiting for the tumbrils to come up. So there is a spy. So he looks into the first one, he's searching for somebody. He's not there. He looks into the second one, not there. Then he seems to be happy when he looks into the third one. So, which is Evermond? Says a man behind him. So, a person who is standing behind the spy, he asks, which is Evermond? So, that at the back there, with his hand in the girl. So, the spy shows him Evermond. So the man cries down Evermont to the guillotine. सारे aristocrats को guillotine में डालना चाहिए. Down Evermont. So the spy says, tells him to be quiet. And why not, citizen? So the spy said, वो जो किया है, he is going to pay the penalty for it, and it will be done in 5 minutes. So be quiet. But still the man continues to shout, down Evermont, and the face of Evermont is for a moment turned towards him. So for a moment, the face of Evermont उसकी तरफ थोड़ा सा दिखता है. Now it is 3 o'clock, and the people, they have gathered to the place of execution. सब देखना चाहते हैं. All are following to the guillotine. सारे पहुंच गए guillotine के पास. Now, in the front row, seated in chairs, are a number of women. They are actually busy knitting. Now, the tumbrils begin to discharge their loads. So, tumbrils से prisoners को खाली करते हैं. Now, the executioners are robed and ready. The executioners मतलब जो लोगों को मारने वाले हैं. They are dressed up and it is ready. Crash. And the knitting women who barely lifted their eyes count one. So the first prisoner is put in the guillotine. The second tumbril empties and moves on. So second tumbril is also emptied, and this tumbril also moves away. And now the third tumbril comes. Crash. And the knitting women, never faltering or pausing in their work, count two. So the knitting women, without looking up, they are busy with their work, but they are counting. There are two. That means two prisoners. They are already gone. Now the supposed Evermont steps down. So the Charles Darnay, actually in place of Charles Darnay, who is there? Sydney Carton. So he steps down, and the seamstress is lifted out next to him. So the seamstress also follows him. Seamstress means a woman who sews, often for a living. So जो सिलाई का काम करती है. So she also follows him. He has not let go of her patient hand in getting out. So he is still holding her hand, but still holds it as he promised. Now this seamstress, he looks into his face and thanks him. She is very grateful to Sydney Carton for saving her family. But for you, dear stranger, I should not be so composed, for I am faint of heart. I think you were. So this girl is again showing her gratefulness and says that you are sent to me by heaven. एक स्वर्ग के दूत के समान हो तुम मेरे लिए. Or you to me, says Sydney Carton. Keep your eyes upon me. So Sydney Carton says, तुम केवल मुझे देखना. Okay, uh, because he does not want her to get upset by the sight of the guillotine. Now I mind nothing while I hold your hand. I shall mind nothing if I when I let it go, if they are rapid. So this girl, she says that सब अगर जल्दी हो जाता है, I will not mind anything. So he says it will be rapid. जल्दी हो जाएगा, डरो मत. Now the two stand in the fast thinning throng of victims. अब सब victims कम होते जा रहे हैं. But they both are speaking as if they were alone. Now you comfort me so much. Is the moment come? समय आ गया है क्या? Yes. Now they kiss and bless each other. The thin hand does not tremble as he releases it. Now this girl, she goes before him and now she is gone. The knitting women count 22. So it is the 22nd prisoner. Now many voices murmur, many faces are upturned, many footsteps in the outskirts of the crowd press on. So all are eager to see the 23rd prisoner. Okay, so it is the member of the aristocratic family. So all are eager to see this man being put to the guillotine. So all of it flashes away 23. So the 23rd prisoner is gone. And then it is revealed that afterwards witnesses said that his face was the most peaceful face. Okay, sublime means peaceful, extremely good or beautiful. So the witnesses said that his face was the most peaceful face they saw on the guillotine. And then the narrator tells us that if Carton had a chance to write down his thoughts, अगर एक मौका मिलता अपना thoughts लिखने का उस समय पे, before his death, they would have been something like this. तो ऐसा कुछ लिखता वो. Then he foresees a time when vengeance in France will end. So he sees कि future में there will not be any दुश्मनी, there will not be any vengeance in France. Then he sees a nation rising out of the blood and ashes of this time, a nation stronger and better for the struggles it has had to endure. So he sees a nation that is stronger and better. And then um, he sees the manet in the future with a child that bears his name. Okay, so देखता है कि फ्यूचर में मैनेट्स को एक बच्चा होगा और उस बच्चे को शायद इसी का नाम पड़ेगा. Then he imagines the stories that they will tell of the man who gave his life for their happiness. So वो imagine करता है कि इस they will the stories that they will tell of the man जो अपना लाइफ इनके खुशी के लिए sacrifice करता है. Then so here you can see Sydney Carton going to the guillotine. Then he sees his own name cleared of all the stains he has placed on it. So he sees that कि future में उसका जो बदनामी था that is all cleared, living again through Lucy's son. Then he reflects that this action is perhaps the best one that he has ever taken. So this is the explanation of the lesson.